Yeah, welcome to Kismas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about writing figures in words. Now, when we talk of figure or number, what do we mean? A number is a figure, is a non-negative integer. Now, let's look at this example on the board. We have write the following in words. And we have 23913,004. Now, some children will see this figure and take it as a very big number. No matter how big a number is, you can still write that number in words. It can either be in trillion, in billion, in million. If it exceeds trillion, it will be quadrillion. Alright, now let's look at this number on the board. We have solution. So the I, when you are writing it in words, we have 23913,004. 23913,004. Now, all this number has place value. But first, what we're going to do, we're going to split them into 3, starting from the unit side. Now, you split them into 3, starting from the unit side. We have 1, 2, 3, you split. 1, 2, 3, you split. Now, you draw a house, make a box. I call it house. So we have, you split it, we have 1, 2, 3, group of 3s. 1, 2, and 3. Now the first one, we have the group of 3, the first group of 3 is ones, we call it ones. The second group of 3, we call it thousands. And the third group, we call it million. Alright. Now, in the house you built for these numbers, we have this, we have here as the first group of numbers H, T, U. In every one of them, we have 100 tens and units. Here we have 100 tens and units, but under 1,000, we have here 100 tens and units, but under million. Which means, this one means hundreds of million, tens of million, units of million, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousand, units of thousand. Then this one is 100, tens, and units. Now, when you want to write, we say this group of 4 here will be under here 004. This group of numbers under 1,000 will be 913. And this group of number under here will be 23 or 23. Alright. Now we have this group under ones, this group under 1,000, this group under million. Then we say this one is say hundreds of million, tens of million, units of million. And the next one here is hundreds of thousand, tens of thousand, units of thousand. And this one is 100 tens units, that is ones. Alright, when you look at the board, you'll find out that we have 23 here under this million, which means 23 million. And we have under this box, under this room, is 913, which is 1,000. And this one is 100 tens and units, which means this is 4. In this number, in this box, we have 4. This is 004, which is 4. Now we say 23,913,004. Now, writing it in words, I will now first write 23 million. 23 3 million. That is in the room of million, 23 million. Then the next one is 913,000. 913,000 and 4 and 4. So I have written this number in words. No matter how big a number is, you can write it in words. So this is the simplest way to write numbers, figures in words. Put them in their place value. Second one, we have number 2. We have 1 1 2 3. Sorry, 1 1 1 3 0 0 0 and 2 1 0. Now let's start from the back. You start from the unit side and split them into threes, and you now draw your house and put the numbers in group of threes in their proper places. Now let's start here. 1 2 3, you use comma to split. 1 2 3, use comma to split. 1 2 3, use comma to split. So we have group of 4 numbers: 1 2 3 and 4. So the room you will make in the house will be 4. Now we have this. Wow, such a big house. We have this. There are 4 groups: 1 2 3. So we have there ones. After ones, we have thousand. After thousand, we have million. After millions, we have a billion. If it likes, let the number be going. We have quadrillion, we have quintillion, and so on and so forth. So now these 3 groups is under 100 tens and units. These 3 groups, 100 tens and units, 100 tens and units, 100 tens and units. Now when you look at this, you find out that this is hundreds of billion, hundreds of billion, tens of billion, and units of billion. Hundreds of million, tens of million, and units of millions. Hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, and units of thousands. Hundred tens and units. Alright, now we have to write this group of numbers in each of the boxes where they belong to. So we have here as 2 1 0. We have here as 0 0 0. We have this one as 2 1 3, and we have this one as 11. Now you can now write this figure in words, starting from here. You know that this is 11. What is in this box is 11. So we have 11 billion. 11. You start every word, every sentence you are writing with a capital letter. 11 billion, comma, 213 million, 0. This family or this group has zeros, so you don't add it. Then you write this one 210. 210. So in this case, we have 11 billion 213 million 213 million 210. So you've written this in words. Very simple. Now let's look at this evaluation question. Looking at this evaluation question, so write the following in words. Look at the numbers. We have 349,000, 210,073. Now split them in group of threes, starting from the unit side, and draw
a box that contains the group of numbers that they are. Now we have this one as well, and we have this one as well. Follow exactly what I did, the method I use, and you will get your answers correctly. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video.